Welcome back, YouTube. Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. If you can't tell already by now what we're going to be making today, hey, you're kind of lost in space. So the wife is going to be showing you guys how to make that B-Love Yum Yum sauce.
There'll be like some stuff missing because we don't do a lot of heat. I don't anyway. So we got the butter, onions, apple cider vinegar, honey, chicken broth, minced garlic, ginger, brown sugar, Korean paste, lemon juice, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, curry powder, chili powder, Cajun seasoning, paprika, oregano, Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon pepper.
So what we start with first?
The butter.
So it's like a special type of butter we should use?
Use whatever kind of butter you want. Butter is butter.
Whatever kind of butter you got at home, huh?
Yep.
Hey, I bet y'all can't guess what this going on. So y'all might see this before or after.
So we're going to get our butter melted up. Alright, so all my butter's melted. I'm going to add a whole onion. And I'm doing a tablespoon of each seasoning. Onion powder. Lemon pepper. Oh, that was garlic powder, the first one. This one is onion powder. Old Bay.
So how long we been eating this sauce, Bob?
Oregano.
How long we been eating on this? Quite a while, huh?
What you mean been eating on it? We just making it.
I mean trying to, making it though. How long we been making it?
Oregano. Paprika, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, curry powder, and now we're going to brown sugar.
Same amount of brown sugar?
Yeah.
I would just want it a little sweeter. I would do too.
Okay, well I'm gonna do too.
To balance out the heat. Your heat and your zesty flavor.
Okay, let me wash this off. Oh, well, I can use these because I ain't sticking it in there. Let me take the cap off of that.
So what made you use a Sweet Baby Ray hot sauce?
Because I like it. Better than Texas Pete.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't got enough flavor to me compared to Texas Pete.
It ain't too hot for me, put it like that.
Ooh.
Lemon juice.
Squirting that lemon juice earlier with it. I thought it was a real lemon.
Ginger.
You ever had ginger by itself?
Honey. And vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna wash it off because I gotta use it to get garlic. Korean what?
Korean paste.
Chili. Korean paste. And I'm gonna use this to get the garlic.
You could have just used two teaspoons.
And then I got chicken broth to thin out my sauce so it don't just be butter.
So how much chicken broth you put in there?
To the amount that you want.
Your thickness of butter?
Mm-hmm. And you just let this simmer on low until you're ready to serve it. Well, not serve it, but until your onions to the point where you want it, where you can eat it.
Man, she putting that drip on there. Woo! It's about to go down, you guys. If you never tried this sauce before, I highly recommend it if you're a seafood lover. Good on anything. I even tried it on some baby back ribs, man. It is good, I'm telling you. It's pretty much just every season you got in your pantry cabinet. I'd like to thank you guys for watching today. Peace out.